Every step of the sales process is important and none of them can be taken for granted. Our attention often goes right to the stage where sales are closed, which is no surprise since this is where final results are tracked and revenue is calculated. However, it will begins with successful prospecting. If it has gone well, you will now have a good amount of names that show some decent potential. They are active leads, but you have still got some work to do before they become qualified prospects and sales opportunities. We are going to review the call in 8 distinct steps. The process started with the planning, researching, and preparation that we just completed. This gives you the basic background needed before reaching out to the lead. Second is understanding that going into this process unprepared is foolish. Pre-call work begins with proper coaching and training to get comfortable with the situation of communicating with the lead. Some role playing first is time well spent. The third step begins on the call and includes having objectives you want in place from your company's point of view. What are you trying to accomplish? This ties in with setting an agenda with a lead that also confirms the time allotted and future goals for the call. This is often referred to as an upfront contract. The fourth seems like it would be simple, but the first minute of every session can always feel a bit awkward. You need to be able to engage. You follow that with steps 5 through 7, which gets into the core of the discussion. You are learning more by asking probing questions and getting a feel for the decision making and approval process. The eighth step is recapping, agreeing to an action plan, and setting a timetable, which is often called solution mapping. It's important to remember that discovery continues throughout the entire sales process. You will need to continue to ask questions, listen, and better understand your client's goals, priorities, and business requirements with the objective of providing a solution and closing a sale. You will need to continue to ask questions, listen, and better understand your client's goals, priorities, and business requirements with the objective of providing a solution and closing a sale.